Pharma Tales update. Debate over cough syrup rules. A group representing small businesses is asking the government to change the rules for exporting cough syrup. They say the current rules, which require testing before export, are causing delays and making it more expensive for these companies. The government made testing mandatory after reports linked cough syrups made in India to deaths in Gambia. Now, there's a debate about balancing safety and the impact on these businesses. The government will have to decide on the best approach. Balancing safety and trade. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.